Welcome to the how-to video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will explore together the hydraulic settings of your tractor. To get started, access the main menu and then go to the hydraulics menu, represented by 3 cylinders. First, unlock the hydraulic functions by clicking on this icon. The first tab displayed is the rear distributor settings page. The padlocks on the left side of the screen allow you to lock or unlock each distributor individually. Click on one of the valves to access individual settings. Let's take valve 1 as an example. By pressing the pencil icon, you can rename the distributor using the keyboard, for example, by naming it after the function of the implement it is assigned to. This will be saved in the implement's profile. Press OK to confirm. Next, you can adjust the flow rate. It is displayed as a percentage. Press plus to increase the flow rate or minus to decrease it. To maintain the same flow rates for both plus and minus, press sync. The icon will turn green when activated. In this same menu, you can set the valve engagement strategy. To set the valve for a linear response, press the first button. To set the valve for a switch response, on and off type, press the second button. Next, you can activate the kick-out function. Once activated, you need to set its timing with a value between 0 and 254 seconds. You can also record this timing empirically. To do this, click on the clock with the diskette and operate the distributor for as long as necessary. The final value will be automatically saved as the kick-out time. If you want to use this valve in continuous pumping mode, click on the small clock with the infinity symbol and press OK. The valve will engage with an actuator impulse and provide oil until the next impulse. Finally, if you want to give this valve priority over others, click on the star icon. During high hydraulic demand, the tractor will ensure that 100% of the oil demand for this valve is met first. Finish by clicking OK to save your changes. From the valve list, you can review the settings previously made for valve 1. It is possible to assign each valve to one or more hydraulic actuators by clicking on the plus. You can also individually enable or disable the floating function of each valve. In the next tab, you will find the same adjustment options for the front distributors. Just below, there is the Valve Assignment tab for the different actuators. Choose which valve each actuator controls. Below that, you will find the button to activate the double hydraulic pump, if the tractor is equipped with. Press the button at the bottom right of the screen to lock and unlock the kick-out duration functions for all distributors simultaneously. For safety reasons, this function is not saved. You will need allow it at each engine start. You now have